Hello, this is the 5th annual Toronto 3D TEE perioperative echocardiography course. This particular video is on auto LVQ using the GE Vivid E95 platform from a TEE perspective. With regards to disclosures and conflicts of interest, I have none. First, we will try the triplane LVQ measurement package. In your triplane view, click the Measure tab and find the triplane ejection fraction in the Volumes folder. Next, trace your endocardial border in your 3-chamber, 2-chamber, and 4-chamber view. You'll need to do this again in systole. When you complete this, you should get an ejection fraction that approximates the function of the heart. Here you can see an ejection fraction measurement of about 35%, which may be a little higher than anticipated for what you see on the 2D images, but you get the idea. Next, we'll learn how to use the Auto LVQ measurement package. From the 4D volume set, go to the Measure tab and drop down to 4D Auto LVQ. In this view, follow the menu. Align your views so that the cursor goes through the LV apex in all 3 views. Make sure that the blue line goes through the base of the ventricle. When you're happy with your adjustment, hit End Diastolic Volume. Here, place the cursor at the LV apex and at the base. Make adjustments to the tracing to adjust the tracing of the endocardial border. You can rotate the cursor through the 3 lines which represent the base, middle, and apex of the ventricle and make further adjustments. Next, do the same for end systolic volume. Place your cursor at the LV apex and at the LV base. Make adjustments to the endocardial tracing. And again, you can rotate the cursor through the base, middle, and apex so that you can see if you're happy with the tracing of the endocardial border. When you're happy, click Volume Waveform. This should give you a stroke volume or cardiac output as well as an ejection fraction. It'll graphically represent this in a dancing jelly bean. Click Approve and Exit. Thank you for taking the time to watch the Auto LVQ lesson. When you're in your wet lab today, please feel free to try it for yourself. Ask the application specialist or myself if there's any further questions.